once again.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Techno Holic. Today we are going to unbox the newly launched smartphone by Lenovo, that is Lenovo Z5 Pro. The box of the phone seems interesting and new. So let's talk about some specifications of this phone while unboxing this. The Lenovo Z5 Pro styles a stunning IPS LCD display of 6.4 inch with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2246 pixels and a sharp pixel density of 401 ppi. It has the stylish aspect ratio of 19:9 that enhances the cinematic experience. It sports a superb dual rear camera of 24MP plus 16MP that can capture excellent pictures, bright and clear. At the front, there is an 8MP plus 5MP sensors which can click quality selfies. The device is powered by a 4000 mAh Li-ion battery which can give immense backup to last for long hours. It has the fast charging support that can refill the battery in a short time. The device comes with a number of connectivity options such as 4G VO LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11, B/G/N, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, a GPS, etc. The internal storage offered by the device 256GB, which is huge and can suffice the need of the users. There is no external memory slot. The Lenovo Z5 Pro runs on a 64-bit dual quad-core Creo 385 processor having a clock speed of 2.8 GHz and 1.8 GHz, which is seated upon the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset. It has the Adreno 630 graphics card that will look after the smooth performance, and the 8GB RAM will let users enjoy multitasking and gaming without any lag. The Lenovo Z5 Pro is a mid-range device that serves a lot of premium features to the users. The display is very immersive and also gives a great bezel-less screen. The cameras are great for clicking pictures under any conditions. The configuration is very suitable for all tasks and games and will do them with perfection. The storage is enough for the user to store all they want. The battery backup offered by the device is enough to run the device for a day, and the fast charging features make it all the more reliable.